friends, I hope that you have been enjoying your life, you have been doing well, and you are trying to learn new things every day. Today, especially, I am going to make this video for beginners. I got one comment from one of my viewers who mentioned that how to start learning English if I don't know what to watch and how to start speaking. So today I'm going to share mostly two tips for those people who don't have time to read books and they don't like to write as well, because there are so many people they don't like to read books and they don't have time to write as well. Is it possible to become fluent in English or in any language without reading and writing? Yes, it is possible. However, you need to give ample amount of time in listening and speaking. So I am going to share that what are the contents you can watch in your initial days. I am going to share some of the YouTube channels name, and from there you have to choose which one you like. Before sharing those channels name, I want to share few things about my learning journey of Hindi and how a child learns a language. I know that we all learn language because of environment. By listening to our parents, we learn our mother tongue. However, we don't have the environment of listening and speaking in English. So when it comes to learning Hindi, it is my third language. लेकिन मैंने हिंदी सीखी है only by watching TV, cartoons, serials. तो अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो आपको इंग्लिश में कंटेंट सुननी और देखनी पड़ेगी. मैं जब वीडियो बनाती हूँ मैं इंग्लिश में बनाती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस करनी है. अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगी, हिंदी में शेयर करूँगी, आप लोगों को आसानी होगी समझने में, लेकिन आप लोगों की इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव नहीं होगी और मेरी भी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव नहीं होगी. So what I want to say that if you want to improve your English, अगर आपको समझ में ना भी आए तो भी आपको सुननी और देखनी पड़ेगी इंग्लिश में. मैं जब छोटी थी तब से ही मैंने हिंदी में कार्टून देखनी शुरू की थी. जब बड़ी हुई तब मैंने मूवी और सीरियल्स हिंदी में देखनी शुरू की. तो जब मैं स्कूल में गई क्लास 5 में मुझे हिंदी सब्जेक्ट मिला, लेकिन उससे पहले ही अल्फ़ाबेट अ आ क ख सीखने से पहले ही मैंने हिंदी बोलना शुरू की थी. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं इंजॉय करती थी कार्टून देखना, सीरियल देखना, मूवी देखना. तो इसीलिए अगर आप भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो, you have to listen contents and watch in English. Now, you will say that we don't have time, but if you want to learn, you have to find out time. अगर आपको समझ में भी नहीं आते हैं लेकिन आपको देखना है, आपको बच्चा बनना है, अगर आपके पास लिखने का, ग्रामर सीखने का और बुक्स रीडिंग करने का टाइम नहीं है, only by applying these two methods, only every day आपको क्या करना है, इंग्लिश में कार्टून देखिए, बच्चा बन जाइए. और मैंने भी सीखी है. मैं आपको कुछ चैनल की नाम बताऊंगी जहां पर आप कम से कम 1 से 2 घंटा पूरा 100% ध्यान से देखेंगे. एक एक शब्द वो लोग कैसे बोलते हैं, कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, आप समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर आप रेगुलरली ऐसे देखेंगे 1 महीना 2 महीना, धीरे धीरे आपको समझ में आने लगेगी. फिर आपको खुद के साथ ही बात करना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. और मैं एक काम करूँगी, मैं आप लोगों को कुछ फ्रेजेस दूंगी जो कि हम हर रोज़ बोल सकते हैं. हम डे टू डे लाइफ में क्या बोलते हैं, इधर आओ, उधर जाओ, खाना खाओ, मुझे प्यास लगी है, मुझे भूख लगी है, तुम कैसे हो, तुम क्या कर रही हो, अभी मुझे सोना है, तो ये सब अगर आपने इंग्लिश में सीख ली तो आप बेसिक सेंटेंसेस बोल सकते हैं। जो लोग ऑलरेडी इंग्लिश समझते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं अच्छे से, उनके लिए इतना चैलेंजिंग नहीं है। लेकिन जो लोग कंप्लीटली बिगिनर है उनके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है। लेकिन नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। You can also become fluent in English. Just I am going to share some of the channels name, watch regularly, and I am going to share how to watch. Now, if you watch several content in a day, one time you have watched one content, then you are watching another content, it will not work for you. If you watch only one content, it may be one story. First 2 times only listen to it and watch it attentively. Then third time and watch with the subtitles. I know that it will not be easy initially, so watch with subtitles. Then third time, by reading the subtitles, try to imitate with them. Then number 4th, you try to imitate with them at the moment without pausing. But third time you pause the video, read the sentence, listen to them how they read and imitate. If you watch one story at least 5 to 6 times, till that time you don't feel that you have not understood anything, at least you should get the summary. But if you watch one content now, again you are watching another content, you will not get any benefit. So I would suggest that you need to decide that which kind of contents do you like. I am going to share 4 channels name. You need to find out what are the contents or channels you like and just go for it. No need to watch each and every channels. So in a day, don't consume so many contents. And you may find out different content as well, because it should be interesting for you. If you don't enjoy, you can't continue. So initially you can start with the stories, then slowly and gradually you can start watching cooking videos, makeup videos, traveling blogs, some of the motivational speakers. So you need to find out your own genre. I am going to share mostly for those beginners who are confused. They don't know how to start, where to start. And I believe that definitely it is going to help them if they watch it regularly. And don't think much about that I don't understand. Try to enjoy, try to observe how a child observes. Definitely it is going to help. So after watching these contents, after a couple of months, if you think that still you are not able to improve, I would suggest that try to connect with some tutors at least couple of months. And there are so many platforms these days where you can practice with co-learners. But before doing that, you need to talk to yourself. Try to talk to yourself. Standing in front of the mirror also you can practice. Try to speak aloud. You need to practice anyhow. The first channel name is T-Series Kids Heart. The second one is Learn English with Jessica. Third one is English Fairy Tales. These contents are so good. From children's story, you will be able to notice that how they speak in day-to-day life. What are the phrases they use, vocabulary, everything you will learn. Learn English with Jessica, you will find different kind of contents. In hotel, what are the vocabulary you need to use. In different kind of places, they share conversational videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching my videos. I will be sharing different kind of tips and tricks how to become fluent in English, and I will share some basic sentences as well and phrases whichever you can use to start your speaking journey. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.